So let's move on to what it takes to be a YouTube creator. As a YouTube creator, there's 5 key fundamentals that will serve as the foundations for your channel success. Let's consider these fundamentals as they will definitely help you better manage your expectations of your channel's growth. And this is anywhere from the mid to long-term success I'm talking about. So before we do that, I really want to remind you of the huge opportunities that a channel can offer you. Whether you're a business, a brand, or an expert, YouTube is a real game changer if done right. The opportunities are everywhere, and you just need to take a close look at what these are and develop a plan of action. Some of the biggest opportunities of having a YouTube channel is that you can organically build a business and influencer status. You can build your authority in your niche. You can increase traffic to your site via search engine queries and opportunities. You can build a loyal audience and engaged communities. It can be a source of revenue via the YouTube Partner Program. It can help raise awareness. It gives you marketing and conversion opportunities. And by default, you grow your portfolio of valuable video content so your YouTube channel can grow into a valuable asset for your business. The following characteristics will guide you as to what you need to see success on YouTube. It may seem like big YouTubers are an overnight success, but these days it's rare to see a YouTuber rise off the back of one viral video and sustain that success without much work. Let's look at the fundamental characteristics you need to have for a sustainable channel. First of all, you have to be committed if you want to see results. Ask yourself, how much time do you want to commit to your channel growth? You have to absorb upfront costs and budget for equipment. You have to learn new skills, and sometimes there could be quite a steep learning curve, especially when it comes to filming, recording and editing. So you have to invest a bit of time to keep up to speed. You also have to be flexible and adaptable to any market changes and trends, and you need to be resourceful and disciplined so that you can be consistent. And lastly, you'll need to have patience. Your channel isn't going to suddenly blow up overnight, but things will begin to start happening if you follow through with what I teach you in this course. This may all sound like rather a lot, but I think it's important for you to know from the outset what it takes to set up and keep a channel going. It's definitely not something that you should do for the sake of doing. I have no doubt that if you're passionate about what you do, you and your channel will thrive tremendously. Now that you're aware of your opportunities and characteristics you need to move forward successfully, let's take a closer look at the key YouTube creator fundamentals. Anyone can have a YouTube channel. Anyone can be a YouTuber, but few can strategically grow their channel and sustain their long-term success. I've personally done both with my channel, My Vox Songs, and I'm thrilled to be able to share my method of achieving this. Your channel's success is a reflection of you, your attitudes, your values, your passion, your business, and of course your resources. It's a serious commitment, and that's why it's essential that you consider how these 5 key fundamentals apply to you when you're starting on your own on doing your YouTube channel. To make it simple to remember the key fundamentals, I've created an acronym called GLASS. As the way I see it, it's like looking in the mirror or in the looking glass. And I believe your channel is really a reflection of you, the creator, your values and all of that jazz. So G stands for goal, L stands for longevity, A stands for audience, S stands for sustainability, and the other S stands for shareability. So let's look at each one individually.